Hello, I'm Ben from Barton Partners, and this is number 3 Buckland Barton Cottages. Number 3 Buckland Barton Cottages is an attractive single-storey residence set in a semi-rural position which offers delightful surroundings but is also close to the market town of Newton Abbot and has good access to nearby coastal villages and the South Devon coastline. The property has extensive gardens and grounds, with the plot extending to around 2 acres, with a good range of outbuildings and paddock, which I'll elaborate further on later in this video. The property has a charming country lane approach, and a shared entrance driveway leads to this good-sized double garage and the entrance gate. There is a charming entrance courtyard with raised areas of bedding, well stocked with herbs, a mature olive tree and roses. An open entrance canopy leads to the entrance door, which in turn leads to the welcoming reception hall. This space in turn opens to the charming and rustic farmhouse style kitchen with a good range of units, an undermounted butler sink and some integrated appliances. The kitchen space has 2 openings into the fantastic sitting cum dining room, a lovely space with a high ceiling, a feature fireplace with a log burning stove, exposed floorboards, good space for a large dining table, and this room also opens to the outside entertaining spaces at the rear of the property. An inner hallway opens to 3 good-sized bedrooms, with the second bedroom opening to the outside. And here is the 4-piece bathroom. And there is a useful utility room, also having a WC. The principal reception room and the second bedroom open to these fantastic outdoor entertaining terraces set at the rear. And here are the wonderful gardens, which are surrounded by and have views over beautiful rolling Devon countryside. There are sweeping lawns, an area of orchard, an area of vegetable garden, and here is the paddock, which has gated access directly from the primary plot and extends to around an acre. The remaining gardens are particularly idyllic. The shepherd's hut has provided good income from holiday letting and is beautifully crafted and equipped. Separate gated access from the approach lane gives access to this large courtyard area, which provides parking for a number of vehicles, and there is a large timber outbuilding. From the courtyard, access can be gained to the grounds and the gate leading to the paddock, and also to this large undercover paved courtyard, which sits immediately in front of the 4-block stables. There is also a large timber summer house equipped with power and light. Thank you for joining me at number 3 Buckland, Barton Cottages. For more information or to arrange a viewing, please call 01626 7725 07 or email ben@dartonpartners.com. Thank you.